Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of x2 minus x plus 6 divided by x3 plus 3x dx. Okay, so this integral is equal to integral of x2 minus x plus 6 divided by x times x2 plus 3 dx. Okay, so to solve this integral, you have to express this rational function as the sum of partial fractions. So to do that, you write here x2 minus x plus 6 divided by x times x2 plus 3 will be equal to a divided by x plus bx plus c divided by the second one, that is x2 plus 3. Okay, therefore x2 minus x plus 6 will be equal to a times x2 plus 3 plus bx plus c times x. Okay, therefore x2 minus x plus 6 will be equal to ax2 plus 3a plus bx2 plus cx. Okay, therefore x2 minus x plus 6 will be equal to a plus b, this 2 term, times x2 plus cx plus 3a. Okay, so here the constant is equal to 6, that means 3a is equal to 6, therefore a will be equal to 2. So c, the coefficient of x, should be equal to the coefficient of x on this side, that means c will be equal to minus 1, and then a plus b, that is the coefficient of x2, should be equal to 1, and considering a is equal to 2, therefore b will be equal to minus 1. Okay, so all you need to do here, you need to now substitute these parameters here into this equation. Therefore, you can write here the integral of x2 minus x plus 6 divided by x times x2 plus 3 dx will be equal to integral of the first term. Here 2 is constant, I can take it out of the integral of dx over x plus the second one, that is b is equal to minus 1, c is equal to minus 1, so I can basically take the minus out here. The integral of, instead of b I write 1, that means x plus 1 divided by x2 plus 3 dx. Okay, and this integral now, that one will be equal to 2 integral of dx over x minus x divided by the denominator. And so I write here integral of x dx divided by x2 plus 3. So here I put a factor 2 because that makes taking the integral easier, but then I divide everything by 2 here as well. Okay, minus the second term, that is integral of dx divided by x2 plus 3. Okay, so this one will be equal to 2 integral of dx over x is ln x minus 1 divided by 2. You see here, this is the numerator is the derivative of the denominator. Therefore, this one will be equal to the integral of that will be equal to ln x2 plus 3 minus here as well. So the integral of dx over x2 plus 3, you can solve it using a formula from table of integral, that is the integral of dx over x2 plus a2 will be equal to 1 divided by a tangent minus 1 x divided by a. Okay, and in this case a is equal to a square root of 3. Okay, so therefore this integral will be equal to 1 divided by a, that is 1 divided by a square root of 3 times tangent minus 1 x divided by a, which is a square root of 3 plus c, which is the constant of the integral, and that is the solution to our integral. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.